Hello, my name is Stepan, and today I want to tell you about my project, Recognition of Multispectral Images. So let's have a look at our agenda. So in this presentation, we will know what is a multispectral image, relevance and usage of multispectral images, our main task of the project, problem, and future solution. So what is multispectral image? A multispectral image is a collection of several monochrome images of the same scene, each of them taken with a different sensor. Each image is referred to as a band. A well-known multispectral is a RGB color image consisting of a red, green, and a blue image, each of them taken with a sensor sensitive to a different wavelengths. So let's have a look on the relevance and usage of multispectral images. Multispectral images are used in military, space, farming, document and painting analysis, healthcare, forensics, environmental monitoring, detecting algal blooms, surveying and mapping, and multispectral imaging cameras. So let's have a look at it in more detailed way. Multispectral images were originally developed for military target identification and reconnaissance. At military usage, we can use it to target tracking. For example, we can track enemy movements at night. At landmine detection, so we can detect the mines and then in future we can defuse it. Ballistic missile detection, so that we can know what type of missiles our enemies started. It is also used in space-based imaging by NASA's Terra and digital globes worldwide too, to observe the Earth, especially for agricultural research and mapping of man-made and natural disasters. At remote sensing, it is used to study Earth and land. On your left picture, you can see the Amazonian forest disappearing on our eyes. It's awful. It is also used in farming. The multispectral images helps farmers minimize the use of sprays, fertilizers, and irrigations while increasing the yield from their fields. At healthcare, multispectral images was used to diagnose health issues at the level of individual cells. And it is also used to diagnose skin issues. Document and painting analysis. At document and painting analysis, it is used to recover an ancient document. On your right, you can see two types of pages. On the left, it is originally page, and on the right, it is image. This page using multispectral images. And on your left, you can't see any words, and on your right, you can, and this is amazing. So, detecting algal blobs. It is very helpful to detect algal bloom spreads because we can prevent of dying thousands marine inhabitants. So that is really cool. The main task of our project. The main goal is to investigate the recognition of multispectral images using machine learning. In our case, we will investigate this on data collected from aircraft objects. For example, planes, drones, missiles. The main problem that we're stuck in, so the problem of classifying more than 3 instances. For now, we know about plane, drones, and missiles, and in future, we will add much more. So to solve this problem, there are a lot of methods in machine learning. For example, extreme learning machines, nearest neighbors, naive Bayes, decision trees, support vector machines, hierarchical classification, and neural network. That's our choice. So what is neural networks? A neural network are a set of algorithms modeled loosely after the human brain that are designed to recognize patterns. They interpret sensory data through a kind of machine perception, labeling, or clustering of data. The patterns they recognize are numerical, contained in vectors into which all real-world data, be it images, sound, text, or time series, must be translated. The neural networks help us cluster and classify. That's what we need. So our future solution would be a 3-layer neural networks that will classify what type of flying object appeared. As an input, we will have 6 numbers from 0 to 1, and as output, we will receive a certain class, a plane, drone, etc. So on the bottom, you can see how our input data will look like. So that is an array of 6 numbers. Our future solution will be 3-layered neural network. On your right, you can see a picture that's a green. It's an input data. It's below its hidden area where we will train our data. And the red one is the output area. That's our class. So our trained data will look like an input data, but also will have a classifier. For example, integer. I'm pretty sure that that will be integer. So that's collected data and a classifier that 1, 2, 3, and so on. So to conclude, the main goal of our project is to create a 3-layer neural network that will classify what type of aircraft object is flying. As a result, we will have an application where we will see where this object is and what is the type of this object using neural network. So computers are able to see, hear, and learn. Welcome to the future, deep waters. So for now, that's all. Thank you for your attention. Hope you enjoy it.